Okay, showing you how to parse text in Excel. Notice how the ending of this text string, these cells, we have a comma, we have a comma, we have a comma, we have double commas. Okay, in this video you're going to find out how to get rid of these commas. We're going to create a user-defined function and put it into this here cell, and you're going to see how to get rid of these commas in VBA. And it doesn't matter what version of Excel you're running, because it's going to work the same way. You're going to be creating your user-defined function in VBA. So let's go into VBA here. Oh, this is the way the function will work. If I type in equal sign, the function's name is going to be called, let's see here, I messed up by showing you that. Here's where the function is going to be called strip comma. So here's where I'm going to input that name, strip underscore comma, then open bracket, open parenthesis, and then the cell, just like if you were doing a easy sum function, like equal sum of what cell, B2. Go strip the commas from that cell, and bang, and the comma's gone. And then I'm going to go down the list, auto-filling it as I go, and notice that my comma is missing from each of these bit of texts from that cell. Okay, how did I do that? Well, glad you asked, because of the function here, this down here, by the way, you can get this on my website at msexcel.needle. You could look down there in the notes box. You could download this your workbook, and you can get it for yourself. Okay, here's where the workhorse. This is pretty much my function called strip text. It's being passed a variable. I could go into here and step through it, and let's see what happens. Okay, in here, I'm going to pass into it the value of whatever's in B1, which is this value right here, 12 volt bar, 20 inch wheels, comma. Now you may have a mainframe dump that comes into you. You gotta have to clean it up a bit. Take out the ending. This is where this function comes in handy. You're going to get rid of the ending commas. Okay, like a comma delimited file. Okay, here I'm passing in the value from cell B1. I have all my declarations here: work tags, SEO temp, INT position. I'm not even going to use INT position. So probably when you see this, I'm going to be taking it out, and as you can see, I'd stick it out right now. It's going to reset my project. That's okay. Okay, let's recalculate this. F2, where are you? Okay, now I'm going to start over here. My work text is whatever's inside that cell. Now, if the right part of work text is a comma, okay, I'm going to do until right text is non-equal to a comma. So if you have double commas in there, triple commas, quadruple commas, you're gonna have a lot of commas, and this looping deal is going to loop that text and give you everything without the comma at the end. So if you have one comma at the end, which we do, the work text is going to be I'm going to use this here mid function to get the work text. I'm going to use the first part of the work text I'm going to calculate the length of it, and then -1. And here I've already gotten rid of the ending comma. So voila, that's my result. I'm passing in. The result of my function is going to be is going to be in the strip functions, and it's going to go into that cell C1. So, and then onward to the next one. Bang. If this was just a little test, you can test this out, and you notice that decoded letter shows up in the immediate window. So, and that has double commas, so you could use that as a little test if you want to. Again, this will be out on the link below, or at MS Excel needtolearnthis.com, and you can get the workbook. Again, this is my VBA. If I encourage you, if you need help with the VBA, to go ahead and get my VBA crash course from VBAstring.com, and I hope this helped. And once again, before I leave, let's look at the result again. It's in red. Okay, my example out there will not have the red, or I may leave it on a few. It'll probably show up to you like this. You'll download it, and you could add your function in here. Actually, since you're seeing this on the screen right now, here's what I'm going to do. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put that in there. Insert that text inside of that cell. Alright. So that'll make it a bit easier for you, give you some direction on what to do next. So anyway, I hope it helped, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.